Welcome back to MrYouWho, and today we're diving into a product that promised to revolutionise how we clean our everyday essentials. The Smile Ovilla Ultrasonic Cleaner, as you can see just here. Whether it's your toothbrushes, retainers, or even jewellery, this compact device combines ultrasonic cleaning with UVC light technology for a deep and thorough clean. In this video, we'll unbox it, test out its cleaning performance on items like toothbrushes, rings, and explore how the technology behind it ensures professional grade results in your own home. Let's get started. As you can see, there it is, just there. First, let's talk about what's inside the box. The Smile Ovilla Ultrasonic Cleaner comes in a sleek, gift-worthy packaging. Inside you'll find the ultrasonic cleaner, a removable stainless steel cleaning tray, a pair of tweezers for hygienic handling, a USB-C charging cable, and a universal cleaning tablet. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, perfect for keeping your essentials clean on the home or on the go. Now guys, setting up is extremely simple. Just fill stainless steel container with water up to the marked fill line. You have the option to clean just water or enhancing the cleaning process by adding the included tablet. These cleaning tablets are specially designed to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria, reduce odour, and remove stubborn stains, making them ideal for dental appliances like retainers and dentures. Once your item is placed inside, press the power button and let the ultrasonic cleaner do its magic. The 5-minute automatic cleaning cycle takes all the hassle out of maintaining hygiene. Now guys, let's talk about the technology, because technology is so important. The Smile Ovilla Ultrasonic Cleaner operates at 42,000 kilohertz, creating ultrasonic waves that generate microscopic bubbles. These bubbles penetrate the tiniest crevices of your item, removing dirt, oils, and bacteria that traditional cleaning methods can't reach. The ultrasonic waves are gentle but powerful enough to ensure that your delicate items, like retainers or jewellery, aren't damaged during the cleaning process. What also sets this cleaner apart is the addition of UVC light technology. UVC light is known for its germicidal properties, effectively sterilising your items by killing bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. This dual action cleaning process, combining ultrasonic waves and UVC light, ensures a level of cleanliness that's hard to achieve with manual scrubbing. It's like having a professional grade cleaner right in your bathroom. Now I have lots of things. For example, I've got the ring just here, as you can see. I've got necklace, I've got toothbrushes. I can actually clean all this without having to worry about it. In the past, you have to worry about scrubbing it, doing it. We're going to do it all. And we'll show you guys at a test in a minute how easy it actually is. With that, the device is designed with this ease of mind. Features a one simple button approach, which you press there, and an automatic shut off after the 5-minute cleaning cycle. The quiet operation at less 44 decibels means you can use it anytime without disturbing others. It's quieter than an electric toothbrush, making it ideal for mornings or late nights. Now guys, we're going to do a test. With MrYouWho, we always like to test stuff. So first up, a toothbrush head. Okay, so now let's test it on a toothbrush head. I know you guys, toothbrush heads can get very dirty, full of bacteria. It's very important to clean them. And again, the UV sterilisation will really help with this. So what we'll do is we're going to put the water in there. Again, fill it up there. And again, pop it in with the tweezers like this. And then what we do is we get the packet again. Again, I might just leave this for 5 minutes because it's not jewellery, it's just a toothbrush. And see how we go with it. So yeah, let's do that now. I always put the lid on as well because it's using UV light. You don't want the light to be coming out of it. But I think it switches off when you do it anyway. Put it on and let it do its thing. Okay, great. So it's just finished 5 minutes going. So we're going to go and have a look now and take it out and have a look. So here we are and there's a toothbrush head just there. So again, it looks really, really clean. It smells clean too. They said this removes 99% of bacteria and germs too. So pop your toothbrush in there, every week or so. You can even use it just with water. And it works quite well. So there you go. There it is just there. After a quick 5-minute cycle, you notice how clean and refreshed it looks. This is especially helpful for extended life of your toothbrush heads, removing buildup and grime that can accumulate over time. Next, let's test a pair of rings. We've got a number of different things we're going to use. So I'm going to start by doing jewelry to start with. So we've got like a ring, another ring just there, and a ring as well. And we'll do a necklace just here later. So you need to fill it up with water. No, not any higher than maximum, of course. You can also use a basket for this too if you want to lift it out, but I'll just use this to start with. So we've got gold, we've got silver. So we get one of the tablets. Close the lid. Okay, and press the button. So there we are. So it's running just at the moment. As you guys can probably hear, it doesn't sound loud at all. I'm just going to go and put the microphone next to it so you guys can have a listen. So there you go, it's not that loud at all. Now it says to run for 10 minutes per go. So we're going to go and let it run for 5 minutes, stop it, then run it for another 10 minutes. Then we're going to go use the tweezers and see how it's come out. Okay, great. So I just finished. So I did 2 cycles of 5 minutes each. Let's go and see what's happened with the jewelry. So there you can see the liquid's all frothed up, but that's from the actual tablet itself. Now let's start with the actual ring. So you pull the ring out like this. Now the great thing with ultrasonic cleaners is they use sound waves to clean items submerged in liquid. So it actually uses, so it actually creates friction in the items, which cleans it off. Whereas UV actually sterilizes it using the UV light. So let's go and have a look at the ring just there, just polishing it off. So there is the ring just there now. As you can see, look how that's shining in the light. Doesn't that look really, really nice? So we'll just, yeah, do that one. Now let's go and have a look at the other ring. I've got it just here. So there's the ring just there. Now look again, look how that's shining. And now that is really clean. So got to, now this is better because normally it's jewelry polish. You have to sit there and you have to go and, you know, scrub it and polish it off. And look at that gold there, isn't that shining? So I'm just going to buff these up and show you guys how they look. So start with, here's the ring. Now doesn't that look lovely? Look how it's shining. Look at that, that wasn't shining at all before, so it's come up perfectly with this ring. Now this one, again, look at the lovely shine coming through. And again, this one as well. Look at that lovely shine coming in. So you can see it cleans jewelry very, very well. Again, using that mix of UV and ultrasonic as well. It's great. You can also see, if you look in here, you can actually see the dirt. Look at that, so it's actually come off that jewelry. Ugh, yucky, isn't it? The results, guys, are genuinely impressive and showcases the powerful use of this compact cleaner. And, you know, I was a bit unsure when I first got this to whether it would work, but you know what? It is a very powerful cleaner. So the thing I like as well is its portability. See, there it is in my hand. It's very, very light. So you can fit this into a bag, make it perfect for travel. Whether you're on a holiday or on a business trip, you can keep your retainers, dentures, or even your jewelry clean and hygienic. The USB-C charging cable makes it, the charging cable makes it convenient to charge anywhere, and the cleaning tray doubles as a storage compartment. You can put stuff in there for the cable when not in use. Guys, the ultrasonic cleaner is not just effective. The Smile Ovilla is also versatile. It can handle a range of items from dental appliances like aligners and dentures to everyday essentials like earrings, necklaces, and even small mechanical parts. This makes it a valuable addition to any home. The durability of the device is another major selling point. The stainless steel cleaning tray is corrosion resistant and built to last, while the UVC light and ultrasonic technology ensures consistent performance over time. It's an investment in both cleanliness and convenience. Now, for those of you that are worried about safety with UVC light as well, all the UVC light is actually contained in the container here. So you see it's got the lid on there. So you pop the lid on there and it maintains UVC lights within there. So it doesn't actually come out at all. So it's safe in that regard. Again, you can use it with water or with a tablet. We did get better results through using the tablet, as you saw, but the water still allows you to sterilize it each time. So yeah, it's great. In conclusion, the Smile Ovilla Ultrasonic Cleaner is a game changer, guys, for anyone looking to maintain hygiene and prolong the life of their essentials. So whether you're looking for cleaning dental devices, jewelry, or household items, it delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. With its combination of ultrasonic and UVC light technology, quiet operation, and portability, guys, it's a perfect tool for modern living. So if you want to pick up one of these, check out the links below. If you purchase it, it really does help support the channel. Also check out links in the description, and don't forget, we're running a giveaway. We're over $4,000 worth of prizes, so make sure you enter with your chance to win. And all guys, if you've got any questions or want information about it, reach out to me. Anyway, thanks for joining in to MrYouWho.